Once upon a time, in a small village near a big dark forest, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had golden hair and sparkling green eyes. She loved to explore the forest, but she always stayed close to home. One sunny morning, Lily's mother asked her to take a basket of fresh bread to her grandmother. "Stay on the path," her mother warned, "and do not talk to strangers." "Yes, Mama," Lily said with a smile. As Lily walked through the forest, she sang a cheerful song. Birds chirped and butterflies danced around her. Suddenly a soft voice called, "Hello, little girl." Lily looked around and saw a big gray wolf hiding behind a tree. "Good morning, little girl," said the wolf. "Where are you going?" "To my grandmother's house," Lily replied politely. The wolf's eyes glimmered. "Which way's her house?" Lily remembered her mother's warning, but answered kindly, "Just follow the path, and you will see a small red roof." The wolf smiled slyly and ran off into the forest. He had a plan. He would reach Lily's grandmother first. When he arrived, he knocked on the door. "Who is it?" asked the grandmother. "It is me, Lily," said the wolf, imitating Lily's voice. The grandmother became worried. "Oh no, Lily's voice sounds different." But it was too late. The wolf pushed the grandmother gently into a cupboard. He wore her nightcap and climbed into her bed. Soon Lily arrived, carrying a basket of bread. "Grandmother, it's me," she called as she entered the room. "Come closer, my dear," the wolf said in a low voice. Lily noticed something strange. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have." "All the better to see you, my dear," said the wolf. "And what big ears you have." Lily continued, "All the better to hear you, my dear. And what big teeth you have." Lily shouted, "All the better to eat you," growled the wolf, jumping out of the bed. Lily gasped and stepped back. She remembered the clever stories her mother told her about wolves. Quickly, Lily grabbed a broom from the corner. She waved it bravely at the wolf. The wolf stumbled and slipped on the wooden floor. Lily ran to the cupboard and opened it, freeing her grandmother. "Thank you, Lily," said her grandmother, hugging her tightly. Together, they pushed the wolf out of the house. The wolf ran into the forest, never to bother them again. Lily and her grandmother shared the fresh bread and laughed at their adventure. From that day on, Lily always stayed on the path and never talked to strangers. She still loved the forest, but she learned to be careful. And every time she walked past the tall trees, she remembered her clever plan. Lily had faced danger bravely and saved her grandmother. She knew that kindness and courage could solve many problems. And so Lily and her grandmother lived happily ever after. The forest remained magical, filled with birds, flowers, and butterflies. But Lily never forgot the lesson of the clever wolf. She grew up to be wise, brave, and always ready to help others. And whenever children visited the village, Lily would tell them, always be kind, but never forget to be careful. And everyone remembered the story of Lily and the clever wolf for generations.